Hi friend, welcome back to the another video. And first of all, I want to tell you that I started making these types of video in English because I want to improve my communication skill and as well as I want to improve my English. So that is why I started making these types of video. So what I will do in this video. So from today I decided that I will choose one topic and I will speak on that topic 10 or 15 minutes, whatever the topic it will be. So today I chose a topic. I chosen a topic that how to increase your focus within just 7 days, because in today's time your focus is decreasing day by day because of social media entertainment, for that. So that is why I choose this topic. So if you like this video, you can appreciate me by like, share and to subscribe my channel. So without any further delay, let's start it. But friend, tell me, imagine what happens with you when you sit down to study or to do important work. Exactly what happens? Let me tell you what happened with you when you sit down to study. After studying 10 or 15 minutes, you found yourself scrolling on social media, watching Netflix, chatting on WhatsApp with your friend. This is exactly what happens with you. But don't worry friend, it doesn't mean that you are lazy, you are a bad student. No, you are good. But you build a such type of habit, and that is why you are facing this problem. And you are not only the person, you are not only the student that you are facing these problems. Because there are a lot of students who are, every student face this problem, including me and maybe you. So that is why don't worry about it. Because in a digital world, distractions are everywhere. Social media, endless scrolling, entertainment, Netflix are fighting for your attention. And the result, you start lot of things. But at the end of the day, you find yourself that you didn't complete a single task. This is exactly what happened with you just because of distraction. But don't worry about it. The good news is that focus is not a talent that you born with it. Focus is a skill and these are the skill. Anyone can learn this skill, but you have to put effort on a daily basis, right? So that is why in this video, I will tell you some steps, some 3 or 2 steps that help you to improve your focus, to increase your focus within just 7 days. And these are the very simple steps to follow. You don't require expensive thing or expensive tools to do this thing. Just you have to follow this, and you have to be consistent on a daily basis. So the first step is that before going to start any important work, remove all distraction. Imagine you are reading a book, and while reading a book, after a few minutes, someone is calling your name continuously after a few minutes. So what happens with you usually? So if you are reading a book and someone is calling you, so you will not read a book with full concentration. You will get distracted because someone is calling you continuously after a few minutes, right? And this is exactly what notification do to your brain, right? So that is why if you, before going to start any important work, put your phone on a silent mode, or you can keep it in another room, and close unnecessary tabs on your from your computer or laptop, and keep only things which is required to complete your task, which is required to that will help you to complete your task or complete your project. Because, and remember one thing, that if you control your environment will not control you. Important, remember this thing. This is very important. And the second thing is that work just 25 minutes. Work for just 25 minutes. You know that many students think that they need to study 6 hours, 7 hours continuously. But this is not exactly true. You know that focused work is always better than long hour distracted work. That is why what you have to do, that you have to just work for 25 minutes. Let me explain. If it sounds impossible, let me explain how you can do this. Suppose that you have to work just 25 minutes, and after that 25 minutes you can take a break. So choose a one task and promise to yourself that I will not check my phone during these 25 minutes, and I will not do any activities during these 25 minutes, and after completing that 25 minutes you can take a break. This is exactly because when you work 25 minutes and take a 5-minute break, so it will help you to your brain get a proper rest, right? So this is second important thing. And third is that, which is very important for you, list out only 3 important things. You know that list out only 3 important things because it is very helpful for you. So what you have to do, every morning you have to list out only 3 important things that you must complete today. Not 20, not 10, just 3 important things. Because when you have a long to-do list, when you have a lot of work, so your mind get overwhelmed. But imagine if you have only few things, if you have only 3 important tasks, so your mind feel free distracted, and your mind help you to study with focus, because your mind have only few things to complete. Because small wins build confidence, and confidence will be increase your focus. Remember this thing. So these are the 3 steps. If you follow these 3 steps just for 7 days, so you will get a result, and you will be surprised what's happened with me after following these 3 steps. So these are the 3 steps, and you have to follow it continuously. You don't need to break down this habit, because already you build a good bad habit. But if you want to break that bad habit, so you have to develop a good habit. If you don't develop a good habit, so bad habit will develop automatically. This is the nature. You have to understand this thing. So I hope this video found yourself helpful. So if you found this video helpful, and if you got something from my video, so you can like this and you can share this video. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till the end, thank you. Bye bye.